Plzlogin is an identifier platform for businesses to verify individuals and organizations for free. The probability of someone committing internet fraud is significantly lower if their identity is known. So Billplz decided to release Plzlogin for free to protect the digital economy. In this tutorial, we will show you how to sign into Billplz with Plzlogin. Please navigate to the Billplz website and click the Sign In button. Enter your existing email and password for authentication. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the third step to verify your individual information as the person in charge of the account. You are required to fill in your personal bank account information. Finally, all you need to do is upload your organization's bank account statement header to complete the onboarding process in step 4. Your individual account is now pending verification process. In the meantime, you can proceed to your Billplz account by clicking the redirect button. To authorize Billplz as the connected app to Plzlogin, you are required to type Billplz and click the authorize button. Now, you can access your Billplz dashboard as usual.